Welcome to my channel, guys. My name is Anne. This video is the second part of the styling my raw curly hair video. So in the last video I straightened and curled my raw curly hair. As you can see, the curls have all fallen. Today I will be washing the hair back to its natural curly texture. Yes, so that's what I will be doing. I will be showing in the video. That's my little girl playing the assistant's role, trying to show you the conditioner I will be using. She's so cute. I never know I go ever be the best. Now I dey confess. Already there feels like no human ever contest. That's the amount of shedding I got from washing the hair. And can you see, guys, the curls are already coming back. They're already popping.
But I'm way up. I feel blessed every morning as I wake up. And I give thanks to God Almighty. Oh yes, now you see me at the blow up. Never believe I can fly, but I'm way up. I feel blessed every morning as I wake up. And I give thanks to God Almighty. Make you no cry, keep moving. One day will be your day. Cause if I no die, I'm still living. It means God will make a way. Make you no cry, keep moving. One day will be your day. If I know that still living, it means God will make a way. I just see me at the make a way. Everybody calling me, don't you worry.
As usual, I'm going to leave it in this plastic bag to condition over a period of time.
Don't you worry, you will find a way.
Right, so it's now time to wash the conditioner out. I always like to use a leave-in treatment, and today I will be using the macadamia oil leave-in treatment. After that, I am going to hang this on a hanger and let it air dry. Whoa, I am loving the curls. Look at those curls, guys. Love the curls. All my curls are back after wash and condition. Love it. This is the end of my video, guys. Remember to subscribe, like, share and comment. Thanks for watching. Bye.
I can't believe when they keep